coming to understand the spiritual world is difficult because it's largely invisible, at least because we're used to existing and expressing ourselves inside the six sensory fields, and we become addicted to that which we can see, touch, feel, smell, taste is reality, and everything else exists, of course, in the unseen energy sphere and the even more unseen mental sphere. You know, where do ideas come from? Where do feelings come from? I mean, it's quite unusual to talk to a person and you begin to experience the idea of the subtle physical world of energy and the unseen world of causality and mind. And you're present there, but there are lots of people in this world that, because they can't see it or smell it or taste it, don't think it exists and think of it as well, maybe it's there for you, but it's not there for me, or something like that. And it gets relegated to a kind of world of superstition. So this sets the stage to how and why we're here. And this retreat is a celebration of the Guru, the spirit of the Guru, and an incredibly profound manifestation of the Guru in Muktananda Paramahamsa's work and manifestation. The nature of the Guru being a universal and eternal expression of grace and mercy, the very impulse of awakening, that which transmutes lead into gold, that which by its very nature illuminates, awakens, and liberates that which it comes into contact with. And it is this mystery that is present and operates in a situation like this at the intensives, at the retreats, where Shaktipat is the intention. It is by Guru's grace that Shaktipat is present in the world. Must be clearly understood. And by generating the mandala of the Guru's grace on such a day, both the solar and lunar return back to back, we gain a very powerful connection to the stream of grace that is the Guru. It's when we come into contact with this precious stream that we begin to truly understand how precious it is, how rare it is, and what an opportunity it represents. Thank God for the Guru.